Hello, I welcome you all to this exciting video. Here we're just discussing the types of acids. So we started this series of videos under acids, bases and salts, and if you're watching this video for the first time, please make sure you have watched the previous videos, and also if you're not subscribed as well, you can click the subscribe button to get notifications when I post new videos. Alright, okay, so here we're just discussing types of acids, and we have many categories under the acids. We have the category where we say we have what we call mineral acids and also organic acids, okay, and another category will differentiate strong acids to weak acids. So type number one that we're going to look at are called the mineral acids, okay. So mineral acids, we also call them inorganic acids, okay. They are also called as what? Inorganic acids, okay. They are called as inorganic acids, okay. And these are acids that are prepared from minerals that we obtain from the earth. And here you find that most of these mineral acids, they fall under the category of what? Strong acids, okay. So let's look at examples of these mineral acids. Okay, so here we have the four types of mineral acids, though these are not the only mineral acids that exist, okay. What we call inorganic acids, so all these we call them inorganic, okay. We use the term inorganic, meaning that we get them actually from minerals that we get from the earth. So you have hydrochloric acid, okay, the first one, hydrochloric acid, which is written as simply CHL, that's the formula. You have nitric acid, which is written as HNO3, sulfuric acid, which is H2SO4, and phosphoric acid, which is H3PO4. Okay, so these are the mineral acids, and here you find that all of these mineral acids here, they are actually strong acids. When we discuss strong acids, you realize that all these are also strong acids. They fall under what we call strong acids. Okay, they fall under what? Strong acids. Okay, so let's look at another category of acids. Here these are inorganic. Now we are going to look at organic acids. So the second category, we call these organic acids. Organic acids are naturally occurring acids, okay. These, they occur naturally. You don't have to get them from certain minerals under the earth, okay. They are found in organic matter, meaning they are found in actually living things. After the living things die, these acids, they form up. They are prepared from organic sources such as plants. So generally organic acids are usually weak acids, okay. Let's look at examples of these. So here we have most of these organic acids, and we also look at these under the topic called organic chemistry, okay. So under organic chemistry we'll discuss in great detail of these organic acids. So the first one is called methanoic acid, and that's the formula there. Ethanoic acid, that's the formula. Propanoic acid, that's the formula, and butanoic acid, that's the formula. And here you find that these, they belong to a category of what we call weak acids, okay. And we are going to see what do we mean when we say an acid is weak, and what do we mean when we say an acid is what? An acid is strong. So we said acids are also classified in terms of their strength, okay. Now the strength of an acid is just the measure of the ability of that acid to produce hydrogen ions, okay. Just that ability for that acid to produce hydrogen ions. So acids have got different abilities at which they produce the hydrogen ions, okay. Sometimes it's defined as the ability to donate protons, okay. So protons, as you go further in your studies, you'll find that the word proton here, sometimes we use it to refer to what? Hydrogen ions. And this is because hydrogen ions are positively charged and protons are also positively charged. So we sometimes use the word proton So acids can donate a proton. Okay, for example, if you have hydrochloric acid, after ionization it will donate this proton. Okay, so all acids, if it's sulfuric acid, okay, after ionization they split up. This H is also what donated. Okay, so acids are also called proton donors because they donate. So once they produce the hydrogen ions, it can be donated somewhere. Okay, so now let's look at examples of these types of acids. According to the strength, we will look at which ones are strong and which ones are weak acids, and then we'll go to something interesting. Alright, so that's the difference between strong acids and weak acids. So we are saying a strong acid is an acid that completely ionizes when it is dissolved in water. A weak acid is an acid that partially ionizes when dissolved in water. And the examples under strong acids, you can give any of the inorganic or mineral acid, and the examples under weak acids, you can give any of the organic acids that we discussed. So strong acids, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, phosphoric acid. And then weak acids, you have methanoic acid, ethanoic acid, propanoic acid, and as well butanoic acids. Okay, so that's the difference between strong acids and weak acids. Okay, so now let's go to something different. We look at something different now, what we call the basicity of an acid. So we can classify acids either as monobasic, dibasic, or tribasic. Let's look at that. Okay, let's look at what we call basicity. Okay, what we call basicity of an acid. So basicity of an acid, what we call how basic an acid is. Okay, so the definition is here, so it's quite easy. Basicity of an acid is the number of moles of hydrogens that are produced from one mole of an acid. Okay, so those acids that can only produce one hydrogen, we call them monobasic. The word mono, it's a prefix we use in science. It means one. So when you see mono in front of something, just know one. So one basic acid. So monobasic meaning one. So these are type of hydrogen acids that can produce only one hydrogen atom, and we have examples here. Okay, so if I tell you, give me examples of monobasic acids, these are the examples: hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, and ethanoic acid. Now the reason why these are called as monobasic acid, it's simply because they can only produce or give out one hydrogen ion. Okay, so you can see here when hydrochloric acid ionizes, it will give out one hydrogen ion. Okay, also when nitric acid ionizes, it will give out one hydrogen ion. The same thing with ethanoic acid, it will give out one hydrogen ion. So these that have a basicity of one, we call them monobasic type of what acids. Okay, so basicity just defines the number of moles of hydrogen ions are produced from one mole of an acid. Okay, that is what basicity refers to. Okay, so if I ask you what is basicity, the number of moles of hydrogen produced from one mole of an acid, and we have monobasic, these produce only one hydrogen atom. Okay, and examples of hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, and ethanoic acid. Okay, let's look at other types of acids under basicity.